Today we will be testing out the best barber kit you could possibly find on Wish. I am 100% aware that these are basically replicas to what barbers use today, but for a quarter of the price, can't go wrong with that. Let's get to ordering. I am looking for nothing other than a good rated clipper. Like, that's really all I want. 1,000 people bought this item right here. This is a Keme shaver and damn, it has a digital dash on it. Anyways, let's add this into cart. We're gonna go for silver. I don't like too much of the gold theme. I actually looked up clipper and then I ended up getting a shaver, which is kind of weird, but anyways. So we're gonna go on to a trimmer. $4 for a trimmer. I'm gonna need to test that out. If it's actually pretty good, I'll let you guys know. So if you look up clipper, there's everything but a clipper. Like, it's freaking weird. Okay, I just found a knockoff Babyliss and I have to get this one. Now this entire set actually cost us $93.32, which is a pretty good price, but we didn't add in all the accessories and whatnot. I'm pretty sure they come with like chargers and little brushes to knock off the hair off the clipper and whatnot. But to be honest, $93 is kind of expensive for Wish products. I didn't go for the cheapest, but there is definitely a $4 trimmer in there, and we're gonna see what all the little hype is about. A lot of people have bought these, so let's wait till they come in the mail and we're gonna review them in person. Yup. It's here! Literally the cheapest trimmer you could possibly find on the market. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that, not even in stores. You can't even find that at like your nearest Ross for $4. You can't find that anywhere. $4 is the price of a burger, and there's a trimmer in here worth that amount. That's insane. Now note that these are kind of replicas to like other competitors in the market, so we're gonna be bringing the real ones versus these right here, which are basically the fake ones. But let's unbox these and test them out on an actual client. Oh my God, I've always seen these on Amazon and whatnot. Okay, okay, wait up. They're vibrating in a way where like, it kind of seems a little powerful, I'm not gonna lie. They have this weird temple type Chinese thing going on, this like Buddha going on thing. I mean, it has an exposed blade, which is, I mean, I guess a perk. So you also get like a little USB cable so you could charge them. Here are the guards it comes with, it's real nicely packaged, I'm not gonna lie. For $4, you can't complain, come on guys. Now this is our shaver, I'm assuming. So this is our shaver, and I'm not too sure if it's gold, because there's a gold picture right here, or it's silver, like right there. I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure it's gold because it's in the front. Let's just find out what color we got. All right, one thing I will say is this comes very nicely packaged. Like the fact that they added this little pouch with like a whole ass zipper in the front. And Wish, you got me impressed, I'm not gonna lie, with the presentation again. Oh, wait up, wait up. This has some weight to it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little too bulky. Okay, I'm not too sure if it's real metal or not. It feels like real metal though. Oh, okay, so it has that locking feature where like if you hold it down, it has this digital screen, it'll count down to 1 and then it's locked. So like that way, if you have it in this case and you press any of the buttons, then it's not gonna like turn on. But if you hold it for 3 seconds, then it'll turn on. And then you could turn it on just normally. That's pretty cool for the shaver. Let's go on to the final product, which is our clipper. We do have the Keme almost looking Babyliss replica, so let's open this up real quick. We get half and our 1.5. We get all the other guards. All right, so first impression, it does have some weight to it and it's fairly skinny. I like it, I actually like it. Lever works fairly great. It's literally looking just like the Babyliss one, which is pretty crazy. All right, we're gonna turn this thing on in 3, 2, okay, it gave me 2 different like feedbacks. So one was a little slower and then it like ranked up real quick. Now the cool thing about these videos is I don't even know what the haircut's gonna be like. I'm expecting a very good haircut because of the way these machines are actually turning on. Like that's just these 2, and then the $4 trimmer sounded very good. Like it sounds very powerful. Now you guys always know I test out my MB guards on every product I get, on every clipper I get. So Keme, please do me good, please do me good. 3. Yes, baby. They fit, which means I'm gonna use these guards instead of the ones that come with it. Anyways, let's actually compare these real quick to the real version of what they're imitating. Now, it's kind of obvious that Keme is trying to be Babyliss, but I mean, you can never get to the quality of these. These are just straight up plastic, and of course, these are all metal, and the lever just clicks nicely, unlike the Keme. But come on, I did get them for like maybe a quarter of the price again, so we're gonna find out if they could actually cut. Now, we also have the Keme shaver, which is basically the the Babyless shaver. They look kind of exactly the same without the metal cap, but one thing I will note is this has more features, but at the same time, you could automatically feel the difference. Like this one just feels cold, fresh right now because it's actual metal, and this is more plasticky type. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the extra little features with the battery life and all that, like the digital battery life, but there's just something about this product right here that feels premium. So these are basically not imitating these, but you have a very big price difference within your actual Babyless trimmer and then your $4 trimmer. If this trimmer actually performs a quarter of the performance of the Babyless trimmer, then I'm pretty happy, because to be honest, $4 compared to 180 is really not a comparison. I don't think anything could beat the FX at this point. Now guys, now that we've compared everything and we tested them out with our MB guards, it's time to actually put them up to the test. Now, before going on, today's sponsor for this video is Geology. Guys, I can't stress it enough that it's important to use the right hair products for your type of hair when it comes to healthy hair. Now, let me explain. This is Geology's new co-wash, and aside from it having its own instructions on how to use each product, there are two different options to choose from. The first option is our cooling co-wash, which is meant for straighter hair because it will reduce any type of frizz and strengthens up your hair. Now, alongside, we have the soothing co-wash, which you see me using on my client here, and it's meant for more darker and coarse hair. The aftermath is absolutely amazing. You really can't compare it to anything else on the market. Now, it definitely helped him get the preferred style he wanted, so I'm glad he really liked his look right after using the co-wash. Now, if you do decide to buy any co-wash from the first link down in the description, you'll automatically be entered into Geology's little care package giveaway. This includes $150 worth of all of Geology's products sent to you because you bought the best co-wash there is on the market. Now guys, you're welcome for amazing hair, and let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so the first tool we'll be reviewing is the $3 trimmer. I know I kept on saying $4, but it came out to $3 out of the entire Barber set that we bought in this video. Unfortunately, our trimmer didn't seem to meet our expectations. Although it did feel strong right out the box, my client did point out the fact that it was pulling when I took out the bulk underneath the baseline. Now, if you'd want a trimmer just to line up, this would pass, but I still wouldn't recommend it. Again, considering it was only $3, I'm giving this trimmer a 2 out of 5 stars. Now, our clipper's performance was outstanding. Aside from it having similar details to Babyless, the way it was cutting almost made me forget that it was priced at $39. It really seemed like it had no problem with debulking or shredding through guidelines, so that's amazing. Detailing was pretty accurate, and it was also compatible with my MB guards, which is a huge plus. I must say, I'd give this clipper a good 5 out of 5 star for its price and performance. Next, this shaver was amazing for the price point of $21. The digital screen was very useful to know that I had plenty of charge and it wouldn't run out of battery on me on the spot. Most importantly, the way it was cutting was like butter. On the other hand, I didn't get to try the integrated trimmer, so if anyone happens to purchase it or own it, comment your thoughts down below. Now, I personally didn't want to try it, but the description said it was completely waterproof, a huge plus if you're looking for a shaver for self-use. This shaver honestly deserves a 5 out of 5 stars, and if you're looking for something cheap and affordable, this is it. Overall, from 1 to 5 stars, I'd rate this entire set a 4. Aside from the trimmer, everything seemed to run pretty smooth. Again, it was close to $100 for an entire Barber set, so keep that in mind. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.